Welcome back. Inside this video, we will remove the debug banner right there on the corner because it's disgusting. Okay, first, I just want to mention something that I forget in the previous video. Maybe you ask yourself, how did you know that the app bar is what is on the top? It's a good question. So let's say I remove it. You don't have to do it, I will just explain. If you go over app bar and magically you click on this little arrow, so you can use your keyboard to switch which place you are, and if you click on the arrow and I go down, you'll see you have a little description. It's an app bar to display at the top of the scaffold. That's perfect. You have the description, and you have the description for every place. So this one will be the primary content of the scaffold. Okay, what is the primary content of the scaffold? We will find out in next video. But for now, let's try to remove the debug banner. Okay, that's a good question, but how do we do it? Let's find out. So I will go on, this is how I will usually find a way to remove stuff, okay? By example, if you want to remove the debug banner, what can you do? You can say Flutter debug. How is it called? It's called debug. So you don't know it's a banner. You will say Flutter debug. Then you have the first suggestion banner. Okay, seems good. How can I remove this? Sorry, maybe I was fast. I just click on the first one, Stack Overflow. And then if you scroll down, you will find the debug banner will also automatically be removed on release build. That's cool. But you can see a lot of answer from this message saying that material app debug show chicken mode banner false. Perfect. Let's do this. I'll put this back. So material app, if you go inside, you have all the arguments. If you press Control space, and what it was banner debug show chicken mode banner. And then you need to put this as false, like this. And if I reload, oops, I will just copy this. I will Control Z to put it back, the app bar. That's good. And I will put back the debug show chicken mode banner. And now we don't have it anymore. So this is how you find solution inside your Flutter app. You need to create something, you don't know how, you will go on the internet and you will try to find it by yourself. So I could have just tell you that it was a debug chicken mode banner, but I just want to be sure that at the end of this course, you are able to do everything by yourself. So to create an app. So on the next video, what we will do is we will try to put content inside the middle of this app. So see you on the next video. Bye.